Today, we're going to assemble a system unit. Before we start, remove any metal in your body to remove accidental short circuits. And here are the parts of the system unit. The motherboard. And the processor is already installed. The fan, the cage and the hard drive, the power supply, the video card, the heatsink, and the RAM. First, we'll place the motherboard inside the computer case. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects and allows the computer components to communicate and receive power. Also, the backplate needs to be installed correctly in the case to prevent dust from entering and ensure proper alignment for the motherboard ports. Next is the video card. The video card or graphics card processes and outputs images to your monitor. After the video card, we install this bracket to secure it in place. Next is the random access memory or RAM. RAM is your computer's fast, shorter memory for actively used data, making things run quicker. And when installing, hold them by the edges to avoid static damages to the gold connectors. Make sure to install it properly. Next is the heatsink. The heatsink draws the heat away from important components like the processor to prevent overheating. We're going to screw the heatsink in a diagonal pattern. First top left, then bottom right, then bottom left, and the top right to ensure even pressure on the CPU for good heat transfer and prevent damage. Next is the fan. In installing the fan, the exhaust fan should face outwards to push hot air away from the internal components, and the intake fan should face inwards to draw cool air into the system, creating necessary airflow for cooling. Next is the hard drive. The one I'm holding is the cage that holds the hard drive. Inside this cage is the hard drive, which is the main storage for all of your computer's data. Next is the power supply. The power supply takes the regular electricity from the wall and changes it into a special kind of electricity that the parts inside the computer needs to work. And then it distributes this power to the motherboard, hard drives, video cards, and other internal devices. In simple terms, the power supply is what makes the computer work by providing electricity to all its parts. And now, we'll carefully connect the various cables coming from the power supply unit to the corresponding connectors on the motherboard, ensuring the CPU, RAM, and other onboard components to receive power. We'll also connect power cables to the storage devices like the hard drive and to the optical drive so that DVDs or CDs can function. To make sure that the cables are connected to the corresponding connectors, carefully observe how I connect all the cables to their corresponding connectors. And finally, we're done assembling the system unit. Now, we're going to plug the power cable That's the main cord that provides electricity to the entire computer. Next is the keyboard cable and the mouse cable. We're going to connect it to the respective ports on the back of the unit. And we're going to connect the monitor cable, usually a HDMI or a digital port. Now that the assembly is complete, we'll now begin to disassemble the system unit. First, unplug all the cables at the back of the system unit. And then open the case, disconnect and remove all the power supply cables. Then the power supply. And next, remove the hard drive cage, the video card, fan, and the heatsink. Unscrew it in a diagonal pattern. And then remove the RAM, and while removing it, make sure to hold them by the edges. And lastly, remove the motherboard. Watch the video carefully for each step. And that's how you assemble and disassemble a system unit.